Yeah, alright, just wanted to do a little update on what I'm doing here. I got a lot of fire starters out drying, getting ready for their fuel additive, and then I'll be sending out fire starters and a lot of other stuff to a lot of people that ordered the fire starters. Meantime, just wanted to show you this big order that I'm working on for Bushcraft Canada. It's coming along pretty good. I'm just about done doing a lot of final finishing on a lot of these act sheets, so I'll get everything all spiffed up. But you know, there's a lot of hardware to install on these, so it's a lot of time-consuming, tedious stuff. But getting them done slowly but surely. Should be put in the mail, I think, in a day or two, and then back onto custom stuff. But anyways, just wanted to show that to you. And in the meantime, I guess there's orders on the board and leather on the table, so I'll talk to you all later.